Greetings everyone, today is Friday the 26th of June 2026. Let's recap on the highlights for the IFP. IFP President and Minister of COGTA Honorable Velenkosini Hlabisa led the Uthugela District Municipality Ministerial Stakeholder Engagement Dinner in Ladysmith, KwaZulu-Natal. Bulawayo emphasized that government remains committed to creating an environment where municipalities are empowered to succeed. The Inkatha Freedom Party deployed members of the National Executive Committee to various constituencies across the country during the voter registration weekend. The deployments formed part of the IFP's efforts to mobilize eligible voters to register and ensure their voices are heard in the local government elections scheduled for 4 November 2026. IFP Chairperson in KwaZulu-Natal and Premier Honorable Thamsanqa Ntuli led a high-level roundtable discussion on the issue of undocumented foreign nationals in the province. IFP NEC member and KZN MEC for Etia Honorable Reverend Musa Zondi officially launched the department's integrated service delivery roadshow in Upongolo, Zululand district, with MEC Zondi emphasizing that government must go to the people to ensure no citizen is left out. Let's check what is happening in Gauteng. IFP Chairperson in Gauteng and eGov MEC Honorable Bonkosi Dlamini officially opened the Youth Tech Expo G13 Hackathon in Nkangala, bringing together young people, aspiring innovators to develop solutions to challenges faced by their communities. The Secretary of the IFP Youth Brigade and IFP's mayoral candidates in the city of Johannesburg, who is also the MMC for Human Settlements, Kansela Mlungisi Mabaso, conducted an oversight visit in Patsing informal settlements. The purpose was to assess progress on the water and sanitation project since its introduction. Now let's have a look on what is happening in IFP-led municipalities.
Umsinga local municipality, under the leadership of the mayor Councillor Felinkosi Skakane, together with the members of executive committee, presented certificates to 105 people who did a course on security. Nkandla local municipality, under the leadership of Mayor Councillor Nonhlanhla Nzuza, convened a meeting with young people from 4 wards 8, 9, 10, and 12 at Emagagu Community Hall to hand over equipment that will help them start businesses. Amongst the items that were requested by the youth are sewing machines, fence and garden poles, egg-laying chickens, grass-cutting machines, and salon equipment. IFP-led chosen local municipality, under the leadership of Mayor Councillor Nkosi Nathi-Myeni, convened a meeting with youth from Ward 1 in Hlegazi area, where the municipality, together with the government department, shared information on self-development and starting businesses.
And finally, do not forget to register to vote. Until next time, sethembe sisebenzela wena.